works under the artistic direction of Dr Jurij Alschitz as Research Center of the International Theatre Institute, with the aim of continuously developing training methods and finding new approaches to the training of actors and directors. Practical work plays a central role. It gives the teachers the opportunity to try out new approaches directly on the floor together with the artists. Teaching is understood as research. In this context, the education and further training of acting teachers is of particular importance. The profession of an acting teacher gains a significant boost as a central figure in the methodological development of the art of acting. Teaching itself is perceived as an art. The learning teachers are actively involved in the development of new methods and immediately become multipliers. All over the world, our students teach already the next generations. The international composition of all activities is of utmost importance. In this way, cultures meet and inspire each other in the process of creation. As a research center for training methods, the World Theatre Training Institute naturally strives to be open to all ideas and methods. But it is shaped by a clear artistic philosophy. On this basis, Jurij Alschitz has built up a team of teachers over the years, which now operates internationally in this sense. What are the main research topics? Starting from the fundamental training as method, Jurij Alschitz expanded the idea of exercise as a cornerstone of all creative work, indeed, as an artistic way of life. All research projects are based on this approach and pursue the idea of the homo creativus. Quantum pedagogy is currently in its development and testing phase. It works with impulses and translates resonance theory from physics into theater practice. Quantum pedagogy is built from the perception of the relativity of knowledge and beliefs, and works with the explosive energy of the mental processes. We can say that learning is a series of explosions and discoveries. It rejects the linear logical path and leads instead to a spherical knowledge, where the homo creativus makes his or her own and new connections. Complementary to such a quantum cognition, Jurij Alschitz proposes a holistic cognition for actors and directors, which unites fragmentary perception and thinking in the consciousness of the actors. The holistic theater embraces the diversity of methods and theaters. It opens the way for the actors to be part of the whole, to be unique with the understanding that he/she carries the world theater inside, like a particle of a hologram. The Institute's long-term research on self-education of the artist took a new turn in 2020. In October, we opened the online Theatre Academy, offering different forms of online training.
Good morning. That's why the self-education, self-thinking, self-development, self-creation, generally self-making, it's really the main subject what I like to tell you. This is completely new step in your life. It's a chance to live. It's process of the education. It's not knowledge give you chance to live. An endless process of the education will give you sense that you are alive. To learn what you like to know and who you like to be. Education without method, without system, it's right way to the Homo creativus.